Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In today's video, we are going to see how to install Fuel CMS on RHEL 7.6. Fuel CMS is an open source content management system which is based on CodeIgniter framework. Prerequisite is to install Fuel CMS is Apache version 2.4, MariaDB version 10.3, PHP version 7.2. To check the installed version of OS, installed version is 7.6. Now I am going to configure MariaDB repo before installing Apache and MariaDB. Now I am going to install Apache and MariaDB. Once the installation is completed, we have to enable and start the services. Now start the services. To check running status of these services, both services are running. Now I am going to install Webstatic. Press Y to install. Next, we have to install Remi release repo. Now you can specify PHP version in Remi release repo. After the configuration, I am going to install PHP and its module. After the PHP installation, I am going to secure MySQL. Provide root password here. Press enter for defaults. Now I am going to log in MySQL to create database and user. Create database name. Grant permission for the user on Fuel database. Then flush privileges. Give exit command to exit MySQL. Now I am going to download Fuel CMS using below link. After downloaded, unzip the downloaded Fuel CMS. Move this unzipped Fuel CMS under www. and named as fuel. Change directory to fuel. Here change to fuel directory. Change directory to application config. Here we have to configure database.php file. Provide here database credential. Then configure myfuel.php. Here change admin enabled equal to true and view as auto. Now I am going to import fuel schema table. Here give DB name. Fuel schema as successfully imported. Now I am going to configure virtual host for fuel CMS. Give name as fuel.conf. Here configure virtual host. Save this virtual host file. Next we have to make host entry. Provide your IP address, then domain name. Next we have to configure SE Linux for fuel CMS. After this we have to change ownership and permission for fuel directory. And change permission for that directory. Now we can restart the Apache to update these changes. Apache has been restarted. To check fuel CMS, open browser. In new tab, type your domain name. Click here to log in with this credential. Give username admin, password admin.
Thanks for watching these videos. Please subscribe our Linux Help channel. For further details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.